Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find blocked accounts on your account on Messenger easy and quick. First click on these three lines here and now click on the settings and now click privacy and safety, and here you will find blocked accounts, and that's it. That's how to find blocked accounts on your account on Messenger easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.